It's a sunny day, so this little solar boat might run in the water butt. The only problem is, when it gets round to this side, it'll be in the shade. Whoa! Needs a rudder, doesn't it? I think it's probably supposed to have one, but we haven't fitted it. In the shade. We're just going out for dinner, otherwise I'd spend a bit of time and put a rudder on it. Yep, that'll have to do. My wife's waiting to go out, but it works, and we should have put a rudder on it.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.